That joke in Chinese. 什么动物生气的时候最安静？大猩猩，因为它们生气的时候悄咪咪。What kind of animal is the quietest when he is mad? Chimpanzee. Why? Because they 悄咪咪. So the punchline is 悄咪咪 can be interpreted into two things. First, 悄 means knock, and mimi is a slang for chest or breast. So when the chimpanzee got mad, they punched their chest. But also, 悄咪咪 can be a word means quiet. So 悄 is 悄悄的 secretly, and mimi is a description for the level of quietness. So 悄咪咪 means both hitting the chest or quietly. So chimpanzee is quietest because he was 悄咪咪. Bye.